Sorry for the interruption, ladies and gentlemen. We are holding the cultural event for a few minutes.
The commencement of this beautiful evening was marked by a cherished tradition, the lighting of the lamp, which is still pending. So now we request our dignitaries to come to the stage and kindle the lamp. Dignitaries, please. I once again request our dignitaries to light the lamp, please. Kindly light the lamp. Dignitaries, please.
ॐ गणानान्त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिविसीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेर्भिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागंसस्तनुभिः वेशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यं परिपालयन्तां न्यायेण मार्गेण महिर्महिर्षा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यं शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
Thank you, dignitaries. Now I would like to request Dr. Subhashri Das ma'am to conduct the further proceedings of the evening. Ma'am, please.
May I request all the dignitaries to be there on the dais to finish the last session of the Memorial Award. All the dignitaries kindly join on the stage. Audience, sorry for this interruption. We had actually officially not inaugurated at the beginning of the annual function. So we finished the official inaugural function by lighting the diya in front of Lord Jagannath. And now we are coming to almost the end of the official program, where we have taken a halt by keeping in halt actually the precious award which is being instituted by Sajan Kumar Sureka for the BJ JAM of BJMS2, and it goes to none other than Aditi Das of class 9 with a certificate, blazer, cap, badge and a cash prize of 1,000 which is again instituted by the Lingaraj Group of Industries. And it's really a pride moment for our institution to get the BJJM. I would request the parents kindly come on the stage and be the proud parents by receiving the honor that the institution is going to felicitate the BJJM Aditi Das. JAM is always a JAM, and that is why perhaps we have kept that at the end of the felicitation program. Really, we are proud of you, Aditi Das, for being felicitated as the BJ JAM for the session 23-24. Congratulations, Aditi and the proud parents. A hearty congratulations from BJMS2 fraternity for declaring the BJJM to Aditi Das for the session 23-24. Big round of applause for the BJJM. Thank you, dignitaries, for sharing the stage for this auspicious memorial award. Thank you. I would request the dignitaries to kindly grace the seats so we can move on with our cultural show. Thank you, dignitaries. Kindly grace your seats. Moving on to the cultural part.
I request Swastik and Priyam Pratap to take over the stage now. Friends, please.